Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you unique front porch bench decor ideas and how to choose the right budget-friendly bench for front porch decor. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Your front porch is the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your home, so it's important to make a good impression. A well-decorated front porch bench can add a touch of charm and hospitality, and it's also a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about front porch bench decor, including how to choose the right bench for your home, what are the best materials for a front porch bench, how to decorate the area around your front porch bench, how to decorate your front porch bench on a budget, and 10 best front porch bench decor ideas. Can you add a front porch bench to your home? The answer is yes. Almost any home can benefit from a front porch bench. If you have a small porch, you can choose a smaller bench or a love seat. If you have a larger porch, you can choose a larger bench or a sofa. You can even add 2 benches to your porch to create a conversation area. What are the best materials for a front porch bench? When choosing a front porch bench, it's important to consider the materials. You want to choose a bench that is durable and can withstand the elements. Some popular materials for front porch benches include: first, wood. Wood benches are a classic choice for front porches. They add a warm and inviting feel to your space. However, it's important to choose a wood bench that is treated to withstand the elements. Second, metal. Metal benches are another durable option for front porches. They are easy to clean and maintain, and they come in a variety of styles to match your decor. Third, wicker. Wicker benches are a lightweight and stylish option for front porches. They add a touch of elegance to your space. However, it's important to note that wicker benches can be damaged by moisture, so they should be placed under a covered porch. How do you decorate the area around your front porch bench? Once you've chosen a front porch bench, it's time to start decorating the area around it. Here are a few tips. First, add a rug. A rug can add a touch of softness and style to your front porch bench area. Choose a rug that is made for outdoor use and that is weather resistant. Second, add pillows. Pillows can make your front porch bench more comfortable and inviting. Choose pillows that are made for outdoor use and that are weather resistant. You can also choose pillows that coordinate with your other front porch decor. Third, add plants. Plants can add a touch of life and color to your front porch bench area. Choose plants that are suited for your climate and that can tolerate being in the sun or shade, depending on the location of your porch. Fourth, add lanterns or string lights. Lanterns or string lights can add a touch of ambience to your front porch bench area. They can also be used to create a more inviting space after dark. How to decorate your front porch bench on a budget? If you're on a budget, there are still plenty of ways to decorate your front porch bench area. Here are a few tips. First, shop at thrift stores and flea markets. You can often find great deals on front porch bench decor at thrift stores and flea markets. Just be sure to inspect the items carefully before you buy them to make sure they are in good condition. Second, make your own decor. There are many easy DIY projects that you can do to create your own front porch bench decor. For example, you can sew your own pillows, paint your own flower pots, or make your own lanterns. Third, use recycled materials. You can also use recycled materials to create your own front porch bench decor. For example, you can use old bottles as flower pots, or you can use old wood pallets to create a coffee table. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 ideas for decorating your front porch bench area. 1. Add throw pillows and blankets. Throw pillows and blankets are a great way to add comfort and style to your front porch bench. Choose pillows and blankets in fabrics that are weather resistant and fade resistant. 2. Place a tray on your bench. A tray is a great way to corral small items on your front porch bench, such as candles, plants, and drinkware. Choose a tray and a material that complements your bench and the overall style of your porch. 3. Add a potted plant or two. Potted plants add a touch of life and color to your front porch bench area. Choose plants that are tolerant of the sun and shade conditions on your porch. 4. Hang a wreath on your door. A wreath is a classic way to decorate your front door and add a touch of seasonal charm. Choose a wreath in a style that complements the overall aesthetic of your home. 5. Add a welcome mat. A welcome mat is a great way to greet guests and protect your floors from dirt and debris. Choose a welcome mat in a style that complements the overall aesthetic of your home. 6. Place a string of lights on your porch. String lights can add a warm and inviting glow to your front porch at night. Choose string lights in a color and style that complements the overall aesthetic of your home. 7. Add a small table to your porch. A small table is a great place to place drinks, snacks, or books while you relax on your front porch bench. Choose a table in a material that complements your bench and the overall style of your porch. 8. Add a rug to your porch. A rug can add a touch of warmth and style to your front porch bench area. Choose a rug in a material that is weather resistant and fade resistant. 9. Add a birdhouse to your porch. A birdhouse is a great way to attract birds to your yard and add a touch of whimsy to your porch. Choose a birdhouse in a style that complements the overall aesthetic of your home. 10. Add a wind chime to your porch. A wind chime can add a touch of melody to your front porch and create a relaxing atmosphere. Choose a wind chime in a style that complements the overall aesthetic of your home. Front porch bench decor is a great way to add personality and charm to your home's exterior. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a stylish and inviting space that your whole family will enjoy. A well-decorated front porch bench area is a great way to add warmth and welcome to your home. By following the tips above, you can create a stylish and inviting space on a budget. Visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more front porch decorating ideas and inspiration. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of unique front porch bench decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.